Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CG dropshipping with WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you have WooCommerce in your website. So now, all we need to do is to get our link or our domain name of our website and copy it because we are going to need it in setting up a dropshipping connection within the CG dropshipping with WooCommerce. So I'm just going to accept that and let's just go here. Now we will need to sign in. So now, after that you sign in, you will need just to authorize or to connect your WooCommerce with with your CG dropshipping account. So from here or from the navbar, you will need just to search for authorization. So basically here we can find this authorization from here. So all we need to do is to click, and here we need just to search for WooCommerce and click on it. By clicking on WooCommerce, you will need just to add your credentials or your informations. So let's just wait, and basically we need just to start adding let's just do it like that, and basically we need just to see either how to connect to WooCommerce by default or adding some WooCommerce by OAuth plugin if you had it already in your application. As you can see, those are some more plugins that you can use, but let's just click on add store. So basically, now you will need just to add your site URL, and you will need just to click on authorize. So from here, you will have, for example, HTTPS like this and something like this. And I'm just going to click on authorize. And basically, this website doesn't exist, and that's why it's giving me like that. So basically, you will need just to click on authorize. You allow the access to your website, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.